Okay, so dub on the day we took it on NQ. I recently just bought a 50K funded account, so this is the first trade I took on it. And kind of mad because I freaking messed up. I was kind of still figuring out how to buy and sell things. And I went to put a take profit right here, and freaking I accidentally hit market sell when we were all the way down like right here, and then I just only had 2 micro contracts left, so I just took it off right here, just because that was my first initial take profit, so I just took it there and just let it go. I just already messed up. Anyways, I also took it on here, so you can see, bam, risk 1,500 on this one, which is what I would want to risk on like a 150K. So I got that. Going into the day, yesterday, bank holiday, no trade. Okay, so we have recently came down into a daily fair value gap, holding it on both pairs, and on the 4-hour, we've also have been respecting this 4-hour fair value gap right here, and then sort of bullish on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour, like if you notice here, we come and retrace into this 4-hour fair value gap where we displace with this 4-hour candle. 1 hour, we're in respecting this 1-hour fair value gap. We're in equilibrium, both pairs, same thing. And we have multiple low 1-hour fair value gaps. So I want to see these highs. NQ had equal highs right here, relative equal highs, and just these highs in general. And so these were my clear target for the draw on liquidity for the day. I wasn't really looking for any kinds of shorts really, just from how bullish we were on the bigger time frame. Like maybe if we came up and swept the equal highs I was talking about, and then this like a bigger displacement on like the 5-minute, I might have looked possibly to target one of these hourly fair value gaps, but probably not. Maybe here, maybe right here. I don't know, but I was really bullish for the day to see these highs taken out on both pairs. So, a little different. We didn't have like a huge set of like a low to be swept. But we just had this 15-minute low right here, but it really wasn't stacked like this. It was really just kind of chopping down. And usually I would be a little hesitant to enter without like a clear liquidity sweep, but with such a strong bias of these highs, we came down on market open, took this little low out, and we just we're continuing to retrace into equilibrium of this this move right here. So retracement into equilibrium, holding these 1-hour fair value gaps, and also coming up to respect this hourly fair value gap again. Coming into these hourly fair value gaps, respecting them, coming up, displaced. I wasn't wanting to I was waiting to see if we were respecting this, we were going to displace above this fair value gap, disrespect it on the 5-minute, but I was going down trying to see shorter fair value gaps, lower time frame fair value gaps. And on the 2-minute, there's a clear high in a fair value gap. So when we displaced, closed above this at 948, I entered onto this kind of order block, even though we didn't really sweep anything, kind of like just a breaker candle. I just entered on this candle and just put stops down here, and I targeted firstly this, since it was different where we didn't really sweep low, a high time frame low. I was really confident in these highs and also these highs, but I was really confident that we're going to come here at least. So when I entered, and then notice again, 10 a.m. news, we had CB consumer confident, or is that how you say it? Consumer confidence at 10. And you notice again that 10 a.m. news pushes price where it's going, where it's going to go. So that's just to take note. Yellow Florida news, but along with red Florida news, it pushes price initially where it's going to go for the day. So entry time was like 9:50, 9:48. I mean, and yeah, little dub. That's about it.